Before you make your next pot of egusi soup, do watch this video till the end and consider this your free masterclass to making the best Nigerian egusi soup ever. Okay, into your pot, you're going to add your meat of choice. I'm using some beef. I add in some tripe, also known as shaki. Go in with lots of diced onions, some stockfish, some salt, and then some seasoning cubes. I'm going to add some water into this, and then I'm going to allow this to cook for at least 40 minutes before we come back to it. For the pepper mix, you need yellow habanero, scotch bonnet, and some tatashe. Please deseed your tatashe. You don't want that bitter taste in your soup. And then blend roughly. Once my meat is 40% cooked, I go in with bonga fish, some pomo, some smoked spanla, some smoked mackerel. You can use any smoked or dried fish that you have, and let me tell you, adding 2 or 3 types of dry or smoked fish into your soup mix always takes it to another level. Into your ground egusi, add some water and form into a thick paste like you see me doing there. Go back to your soup and add some crayfish powder, or if you're like me, add my local seasoning mix. The recipe is on my page, okay? Allow that to cook for at least another 15 minutes till your meat is completely cooked through. Go ahead and add some palm oil into a pot and then allow that to heat up for about 2 minutes. Go in with your egusi paste and then your blended pepper mix. You're going to allow this to fry till it turns from a paste into almost fried eggs looking like this, really dry, and the oil floats on top. That's the perfect time to introduce your cooked protein and the stock into it and then stir properly. Do you know I have a masterclass on Nigerian soups that teaches 15 amazing Nigerian soup recipes from different parts of Nigeria? Now you know. Send me a DM to register for that class. Allow your egusi soup to cook for at least 20 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. 20 minutes before you go ahead and add your vegetable of choice. And I always use 2 vegetables, uziza and ugu, or you could use uziza and bitter leaf, and trust me, the taste is amazing. Allow that to simmer for another 2 minutes, and joy givers, our egusi soup is ready. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe and if you found this video helpful. Bye.